Yep. Is it on us?
You're recording, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Back up a little. Got it right here.
Yeah, pull all the way back because we got a lot going on right here. There you go. Think of that tornado right over here.
Right, this right here?
Yeah, we'll get you angled over there. Right between those telephone poles. Oh my gosh, this is the weirdest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah.
I've never seen this. Okay, we're getting RFD now.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, I don't have it.
We'll get you a different angle.
I need some defrost here in a second.
Okay, he's showing us. Yeah.
Give me some defrost, Mike. It's climbing.
Okay. All right, we're getting slammed here now.
Front.
All right, get ready. Let's get ready to. We got a tornado forming right here.
Yep.
Right there on the ground. Tornado on the ground right here. It's got to be.
Can you go through that grass?
No, I don't want to try to take a chance of getting stuck.
You got a guy right here.
Yeah, I
on
see
your
him.
right.
I see him.
Okay. I'm shooting
Okay.
over the tree.
Yeah. Call hotline.
Calling for hotline. Where?
Hey, I don't know if you can see it in our video. We had a tornado forming right in front of us.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, we did have. Yeah, we got rapid rain curtains right now. Let me see if I can change. I got cars around me here. Let me see if I can change angles.
I'm looking at your screen.
Yeah.
Are you on the Kansas border?
We are north of Forgan. I'm not sure how close we are to the border. We're close.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, we had rapid rain
I see
curtains.
the edge of it.
Yeah, it was rapid. I mean, not even 200 yards in front of us. We started getting slammed with hard.
Hey, Eric, Johnson over there. Make sure he's rolling on Mike Bennett's screen. Mike Bennett.
So what do we think?
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, we're going to zoom out so you can get a better.
What direction is that?
Now we're looking northeast. Looking northeast. Across the highway right in front of us. Across the highway. Now we got some rapid, a lot of sinking air right here just straight east of us, feeding right into it.
Yep.
And the only way we're going to be able to stay up with this is go back to Forgan and go east and then get to
Yeah, there's like no
283.
visibility.
But
What's your temperature there?
it's 64. But then,
Wow.
I'll tell you what, Mike, this is the weirdest storm I've ever seen. We had the cloud deck was practically on the ground. We had calm, dead calm winds. I knew I was running right underneath the mezzo, and then the wind started coming up, and we started getting hit RFD, and we had rapid.
Is it behind that right telephone pole?
It's kind of in, but it's I think the right edge of it's behind the to the right of the right telephone pole, and then I'm not sure where the left edge is at, but there's a rapid cloud motion. I'm gonna give you here's a better shot of it for you.
Three. And what direction are you looking there?
We're looking. The camera's pointed east northeast.
Wow.
Yeah, but it spun up right in front of us. It was just. It wasn't hard. You couldn't see the condensation. All we had was swirling rain curtains and fog, and it kept increasing. We probably got hit with about 70 mile an hour RFD.
Wow.
And then yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go south and then get back east to 283. That's all we're going to stay with it. So okay.
Be careful. Okay.
All right. Okay. Go ahead and stop recording for a second. All right.